Yeah, me people, watch ya no man. Watch ya no. See two idiot them there, Panama. Yo, it has been a joy, man, to be on the plane, man. What the alley youth, girl, what the. Yes, man, a she, that beautiful empress. Yes, one king. You don't know.
Taking
Whoa.
off. Where we going? Where we going? Where we going?
Panama.
Panama City,
Panama
baby.
City, come on, no man, lift up in that plane, see it there.
You got a little snack.
Yeah, man, we have to try a little stuff. People, don't judge, never judge, never judge. It was our cheat time, and a little shrimps, of course. Don't judge, do not judge. And we in a plane, boy. Look
We
how
were there for like less than 1.5 hours.
Yeah, man.
When we reached, we had to get our SIM card sorted.
Okay.
Yeah, and we got $30. We paid $30 for 1 week data.
Right at the airport. And here you go, away this.
Waymore Hotel.
Yes, that's where we were staying. People see it there. They don't know saying tip live, you know, say that I carry bag. You see me? Yeah, man, see it there. Waymore, yeah, man, beautiful customer care there. All right.
So we had to set up clearing out the room, making sure we have things to put in our water to clean the water, and you know, you got our vitamin C, our salt there, just in case.
Right.
We tell you about what happened.
Yeah, because we don't know where water come from, so you know we are herbalists, are very health conscious, so we have to purify our water before we kick off the start. Yeah, man. So we have things to cleanse water. We have, you understand, the special salt. Watch out. Breakfast first morning at the hotel.
Yeah. And we went to look for the market.
Yes, because owned by the Mexican. Yeah, we all couldn't find food, people, because me I tell you, I want meat eating country. Yeah, the stores them hard. The restaurants, so see there?
Hardly any fish.
Yeah, watch a man, dry coconut at Panama. Yo, brother, listen, plantain dash over there, so. Yeah, man,
lots of fruit.
Then try, man, see there?
They chopped our coconuts for us.
Well, I want natural, I want plunger sitting in the use and dig out to our hole. Yeah, man, everywhere we do, we can afford coconut.
Somewhere we can go and pick up our stuff.
Alright, so watch out now. Beside Uber.
Okay, so we use Uber over in Panama. You can use InDrive as well. Make sure your card is connected to your app because they are much cheaper. InDrive is cheaper than Uber, and the local taxis are much more
expensive.
Yeah.
Alright, so watch me now. Alright, here is our end. Alright, so we are driving now and we are going easy because we're heading to here. How we are heading to here now?
The shopping center.
Let's see where we are heading, people, because see what Panama look like. The sky look just like Jamaica. May I tell you, see there? I just the place, boy, tall building. There, you know, people. Yeah, man. See there. I was taking the slipper elm and never die. So you have trees.
We find trees over there. That's the system.
Right. So see the people pure skyscraper. This is a little of what the city is like.
Yeah.
Wait man, no
we
skip
stayed
the
in
video.
the city, so.
Right. So.
High buildings and stuff.
Yeah, man.
I'll show you the ghetto later.
Right.
So ghetto is everywhere.
Okay,
So first evening we went to Jamaican cuisine restaurant.
Highly recommendable. If you're there Panama, you know niam yaso, you know niam nothing. You want your true, ready, authentic food. They staff them. They are what should I say?
Amazing.
Customer pleasing.
Yes.
That's the word I'm looking for. See that they have a beautiful bar and then keep parties. Look there, they set in, listen to me now, man.
Family run there. Yeah.
Yeah, man, and it's beautiful there. The people them heart clean like a Jesus police record.
Yeah.
So that's our we says we want sorrel beer because we were about to cheat. When we look, no mates are look on the line. Look on the line making a sunshine. The people them know how to set table too. It's a full package. Watch my friend there. Whoa, so people see me fish they come out,
not many places you can find fish.
Right, we couldn't get much
we
fish.
Had to jump on the Uber app and look for somewhere.
Right, and me I tell you the cuisine, the cuisine, the Jamaica cuisine restaurant was dear as a lifesaver. Come round here, so girl, cause surfing long time, girl.
That is Eden.
Yes, that's Eden. That's her name. Beautiful art, pure. Yeah, man, you know see it. When you see the brown steel fish, yeah, over there, so I won't want that again, babes. I not even remember.
What are we cheating on?
I don't remember what over there, so, but anyway. Yeah, those are fritters made from spelled flour. On the law, we alone. They said, don't judge. Don't judge. Anyway, that's the bar up there. I will go show you what the staff is like. I'll show you how they smile. Very genuine. Yes, man. I'm going to show you what the staff is like. So see the place there. Beautiful place. They have one day named
Bumbleclad
Friday. I pay hot girl dancers in Jamaica. But anyway, I tell you, we never get to catch it. But I tell you, people see there. The table well set. Look for the staff member them. Look how them beautiful. Watch ya. Look over there, so. Look on the whole artists them. Look on the place. See the Jamaica cuisine. I say pronounce cuisine. And see the two old cheater them. They cheat on something where they say, you understand, don't judge. We know if you cleanse your body, no follow away. Alright, so see the restaurant there. Yes, man, big up yourself, youth. Alright, day 2 to the mall, Multi-Plaza, Panama. Why, may I tell you, people see there? So Panama outside look just like Jamaica, some part. But as me say, we were in the city. We never get to go into the part where we hear that the agriculture part is like. So see, city at this.
Tall, lovely buildings.
Right, yeah, man. And as you know, see there, special building them with glass on the outside, and the road are clean in the city. But me I tell you, you have little everything. So we're at them where? The mall. We reach the mall. Alright, people. Remember me tell you, if you do this a video at the mall, you can't done. It's not done yet, so me I tell you people, we just show you a little.
There's a lot of shops there.
Listen, one thing me learn, when you come there, so it's important for you to have some petty cash in your pocket. And also your card working when you want to buy your things. If you are the person to come and shop till you drop. So here we go.
We shop till we drop and we couldn't find somewhere to eat.
Yeah, man. So I tell you.
Sad.
Yeah, it's so. Look at her face. She's not so happy. We couldn't find nothing to eat. There was no place with fish. No, listen. Why? If you eat meat, alright, Panama. But look. See, let me show you the most popular stores. Look, see them there? See that? Well, may I zoom in? Wait, man, it's coming. See, zoom there, they come in. Wait, may I zoom in? Oh, God, may I tell you, it was Wendy's, KFC, Burger King. Yeah, man, just a tour in Panama. So, see that place look like the ghetto, same way? Yeah, right. Yeah, ghetto parts where I don't want to say underdeveloped, but yeah, where sadly the black people are also. Yeah, man, and see there? Yeah, man, just like Jamaica, some rough place. People live on a road, same way. See people selling simple stuff, just the same. Yeah, man, so the ghetto part is there. We just want to show the people. Say, yeah, man, it's not all the Republic, Panama of the Republic. Yeah, it has its spots. You understand? As everywhere. See the people lie down on the ground. If you could catch that party, just run past. Yeah, man. You have some road where, no, I wouldn't say 100% dirty, but 1 and 2 things as Jamaica. See the Blackbird. They are Panama just the same. Yeah, people. Not because, me a show no say natural life is there just the same. That is Medina. Give me a buckle of spirulina. And then me mix up the roots with Medina. Yeah, so we on the walk. See them, me find Cersei people. Cersei of Panama.
And they have the pods on them.
Right. They other than called bitter melon, but most people don't know. Yeah, man. So see the people. Alright, our fence property we find on the ground Cersei. Yes, Cersei right there in Panama. So as me say, it's a Caribbean whoa, tattoo day. Tattoo day, my first tattoo, people. Don't judge. Yeah man, we can talk about it. I glad I did not take it when I was younger. And that's the tattoo artist. I don't remember her name, but yeah man, very professional, explained everything to you. They were very supportive because let me tell you, all who love tattoo, it come with pain. That's the first one. That's the money attracting tattoo. Yeah man. And I had my number 77. That's her. That's one of the
guy
work.
that tattooed his eye.
Yes man. And see the video, the flow. Heading to Albrook Mall. One of
the second
biggest mall. Why me I tell you people. So that's just.
And they say it's cheap there. You have cheap shop stores there. You can buy stuff. We bought lots of new stuff.
Right.
We didn't even have to pack a suitcase. We could have just brought the empty suitcase.
Right.
And some stores are really cheap.
Yeah, man, you have some stores there where, we heard that Jamaican, the one in town, the Kingston place where them bend down, you wonder how a person sell one jeans $1,000, $700. Yeah, I heard that they came in Panama right here and shopping at stores like El Greco. Yeah, that's the word. Yeah. Yeah, man. So see the people, just as me say, we can't show you everywhere. It's huge.
Yeah, it's massive.
Albrook, yeah, it's huge. So see El Casto, that's the name. Yeah, man. So you have places where you can go if you go cheap, if you go for quality and not cheap, but you have the quality price. There are places there just to see them. The regular Nike, Puma, Adidas, Aeropostale, Levi's. Yeah man. May I tell you, place there, just nothing for eat for your vegan, for your fruitarian like us. But the place is huge. Yes, that's our friend, their daughter taking his son taking a picture. Alright, so breakfast, then zip line. Yeah man, you don't know one breakfast we can take. That's the fruit. So see with the upstairs there?
Oh gosh.
Moments. Alright, so look then man, Panama bus. So we're at the place that is called Joy Point.
Yeah.
Look now people. Whoa, that the pan zip line. Oh, that the pan zip line people.
Oh, that's me.
What a girl, bro.
Yeah, so if you want a video of the experience, you say a video and you get a stick, a selfie stick, and you do your video.
People, we never got zip line in Jamaica. Look what we gonna do. You know much story them. One of those buildings is about 105 story.
It is high.
Listen to me, people.
Lucky at 19 seconds. I can work with that.
Mr. People, boy, it's my time coming, people. We use that.
So you gotta sign up downstairs and then you do your declaration and they take you upstairs and it feels so high. It takes so long.
People, not chat out for me part. People watch you now. People watch me. When me reach and they go reach you, then me I wonder, there's something now slow down. Look on the brave girl over there. Yo, look here now, people. Watch me head. Look for me head now. Look when me see me go now and tap. He now slow down. Watch her. Whoa, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, how many times I replayed it?
Yeah. Boy, people, I tell you, me don't know how wicked to we sell. So when we find the time for use the money do that, see the company there. And there is what they have here. They have zip line. We did zip line. We do the museum.
Yeah, I take you into a 3D.
Yeah, people coming up, and this is their special bus. It's like an Asian bus that exists. We have these kind of bus in Jamaica back then. Even some old one is here now, see me. So watch there at the princess that at the driver. And yo, listen to me now, man.
And you get a free drink from the house when you go downstairs.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this company is called Join, and it's a zip line and recreational activities. They do quite a few things. Rock climbing. Yeah, man. Watch out. Bombard. Gala driving bus truck. Yo. So yeah man, the place that is called the Joint. This is it. Just a aerial view, and you know, this is what the place. We have show you the bus again because come on, she and I bus they run the driving. You expect say me no want to drive off for this bus here. You no watch a video and tap running up and no and tap think I say I different somebody a drive the bus. I go Panama.
I remember, guys, we spent about $4, $3, $2 on Ubers going here A to B in the city,
and it's cheap.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man. So when we reach downstairs and we get the complimentary drink, we just want to show up on the video that I had showing you what the activities are at the Joint. See it there? You do swing where you swing like you swing off a city. Lord God, you understand? See it there? The zip line where them people are go use their money.
Sky deck, you eat the sky up on the sky.
Right. So the tall building, how much feet? Yeah, eat. See that they have
bungee jump.
Yeah man. So these are all the activities, and yo, the museum now. Right. So the museum. That's the museum where we put on one 3D glass and then tell you everything about Panama, the history.
You can turn your head around and you can see all around.
Right. So you look like you're looking on Panama from a bird's eye view. You understand? Yeah man. So those are, see the climbing, all the activities. I just put these videos in to make you get a closer look to see what's going on. See it there? Them I show you. Yeah, your spouse can go and have fun and
you can do your booking on booking.com and book your tours for the day and stuff like that.
Okay, man. You know, say you are the brighter one and you are the computer brighter one, so you
just turn up. You just turn up for your time.
Right, and the Ubers, we say, as long as your Uber is joined to your card, it's easy.
And the local taxis will entice you for them to give you a tour, but there are tours you can find on booking.com.
Okay. Like the one that
Canal and the Panama City tour. We booked that
with Richard, and trust me, this
6
guy
hours out.
This guy is highly recommendable. Richard for the tour is the best in Panama. Richard is the best. Find that guy.
And he's got his reviews on booking.com as well.
Okay, so at Richard they carry they show the place. Cause we have to say everywhere beautiful because everywhere is a give and take a life, everywhere is not the same. So when we say beautiful people because someone would have watched a video has never been to Panama want to go there. So it's beautiful, it's the dynamic, it's the difference. So here we are at what is now. This is the train that is carrying the containers from the cargo, and we reach at the canal. People, the Panama Canal makes Panama the richest when it compared to other Caribbean countries.
Because of their port.
Yes.
The canal that they use to transport goods from one country to another. Most countries use that canal.
Use this canal, and they charge one ship up to how much?
Up to $1 million US dollars
just to pass through the canal for the day, and they have how much ship per day I don't remember. So it makes them the income they make from
biggest
it.
Income
Right.
Country.
It reached. It's 160 million
per year.
Billion.
Billion. It was
3 billion. 2.75 billion per year. The canal. So look, people, see the ship there. You have to study the video. You see that the ship is moving slow. Meanwhile, the gates of the canal is opening. And let me tell you something. The history of how this canal make people. It is so technical. It is so high valued. The history is so rich. When me telling you say rich as heck. Yeah man, so we are giving a view, people, make you feel like you're in a Panama. When we say you're in a Panama, we are giving you the view. Yes, you're in a Panama. So right now, watch out. Yeah man, the ship coming in. And them a ship you no normal ship. When me say you no do in and out. When you look at the size of the ship, and the ship is about like they say between 1 to 2 feet from the width of the like yo, them thing they were coming. Alright, anyway, that run guard. Oh, we are still there. We are still at the canal. Yeah, me when they telling us say yo, them have a guide. Alright, so here was
They told us to watch the movie or documentary about the whole canal.
Yeah, the canal of the Panama, and also how Panama really reached to its Republican state. Yeah, so it show you a little history about the canal and how they have to use teamwork to build
it.
And
they lost how many people?
Yeah,
they lost quite a lot of people
they lost some worker. We start from the first canal through mosquito biting, malaria, right?
They escape the mosquitoes, so you can go around and bite people.
So people, me just went to this. The video here don't long. Me just try to show you what they were showing us on the cinema, where we had a 3D, the screen coming into us, where we watched the whole history about the Panama Canal. So this was us sitting there in the theater, and I'm just giving you a view here. Your video go end now. So yes, see there we are head to special sites in Panama, and people by here we reach about day 5 out of 7. We just couldn't video everything, so we are showing you we're traveling to this some special areas. One of them where they can drive and reach to the US. So here is the Panama sign here. The place here, where the place here again? I don't remember, you know. But anyway, I want special site.
It's a site where they park their boats and stuff like that. It
has a
duty-free shopping center.
Okay.
And few markets there. So that's on the tour for the day. Those are the stops that we make.
Right. So from here you can see city, the whole entire city, just beside the sea. So we're just there taking some shots. This site, and there is the sign, and me tell you a yacht come there and join. So here now we at some holistic, some ancient buildings. That is so significant in Panama. This is one of the oldest church. If you look at it, it has a bell. I was showing you the bell, that the bell is still on the building where they rang every now and again. And people, bell is more than what we think. That's a gazebo there. They were repainting it, and there was some indigenous people doing a dancing. See there? We catch a little part of the dance.
There's a few families of
Right. But 3 of them in Panama, and their area is not like the city. Is natural, and they do farming there, and they keep it very natural.
That's another one of our stop at the chocolate.
I love chocolate in Panama.
You can do sessions there where they teach you how to make their own real cocoa chocolate.
I tell you, the samples was great. People, the chocolate here is very natural, authentic. There's where they teach you.
They give you samples.
Right. So we are showing you the church, people, how the church has the bell in. It was so amazing that them bell here still inside our church, because I know the bell can lift your vibration, and usually used to heal the community when they rang it. So most people don't know that the bell vibration wards away evil spell and all of that. So I'm just amazed by the church, and it was one of the oldest churches. I don't remember the age, but boy, it was so ancient. I just big speck of renovation they did on it, but it's naturally made from how it was from those long time. So man, it was great to look at. I mean, they know mostly when they tell one story about the bell. Maybe I go put in one video, so that's why I'm on it so long. But the video,
there were some posh houses that where you can see like in the movies there, right in that area.
So so the hotels, Yeah, these hotels was very ancient but still posh.
Yeah.
So we are here walking through the
Those are
city.
markets. You can buy stuff there,
Yeah.
clothes and indigenous things, handmade stuff.
Right, craft. It was like the craft
Yeah.
markets in Jamaica, but these ones are very technical people, some real handmade stuff.
They
Not
handmade their famous hats.
right.
They're like $45.
Oh yeah, Panama is known
Panama
for
hat.
hats. It's a Panama
The
hat.
straw.
Right. So people, it's not even so expensive. It's worth the price because these people they sweat and do their thing and make sure their things is okay. In see art place here. See the art place here. See the art
They
place
got
here.
all the hats in the
Center in the air, tie across from building. See the from building.
Just like there's a place in Dubai where they have the umbrellas.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and this is the art. Yeah, people. So these are some sites. So one side there where the water coming there no more. So this part was significant for me because it looked like there was a little oil there, but no oil. It was a natural light that was very black and dark. Yeah, man. So me had to catch it and the rocks look heading to Yaman restaurant. We go get hungry. So Yaman we heading to the restaurant. We say Yaman restaurant, but they are one different place. So but anyway.
We stayed there a little bit longer.
Oh, okay.
Tour guide.
Okay, Yaman. So here we go. To Yaman restaurant. You see her just go down, play with her, see tour with her. You understand? Beefy and buffet. Pinky, the pinky and the brain.
So
Yeah,
this
man.
is another Jamaican restaurant.
Yeah, man, that we recommend. And yes.
It's all bite to eat.
Yes. And now we final night, yes, people. So we have to take a look at picture. Only know want to watch a picture if video not done, The last part of the video come not because you see picture, no, but I come off of the video. Watch out who that the wine. You never see Empress of wine yet.
My God.
You ever see Empress of wine? Yes, and now sad face we already done, but till we last night at the
so we're gonna check out the casino that's downstairs on the hotel.
I wanna see our dress code. Hype, watch him pose ya. I rock ya mama. And guess what? Sad face. We're going home. People, I can't believe we just started the video and we are going home already. That was how the 7-day felt.
So it's about $20 Uber to get from the airport to the city.
Right. So there is where I'm in Jamaica back. I'm going to show you the grounds of Jamaica.
No, we were leaving Panama.
Yeah, leaving Jamaica, coming back to Jamaica.
Let's see how it looks like a motherboard you were talking about.
Right. So here people, this a line here so I could understand it. Them come and ask about if we have what? Yellow fever vaccine, and we don't accept because we are gerbalists. You see the farmer name? You see the farmer name? No, this is a health one to confirm if you take yellow fever.
Yeah.
But we don't reach a farm
Don't care
yet.
about that.
Yeah, we don't care about that. We don't give consent.
As we were going through the
airport,
you are supposed to fill out a